In this video, we're going to write the equation for a line when we are given the slope and the y-intercept. Here's our problem. Find the equation of a line with a slope of 2 and a y-intercept of -3. Now, the first thing we want to remember is the form for the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. So in this form, the number that's represented by m is the slope. The number being multiplied by x is the slope, and the number being added or subtracted at the end is the y-intercept. Now, since we're given these two values, we just need to find them. So there's our slope. We will label that as m. And here is our y-intercept. We will label that as b. Now we can replace those in our standard equation format. So y equals, let's fill in our slope of 2. That's going to be multiplied by x. And then we are going to add, and I'm going to put it in parentheses because of the negative, -3. So we're almost done. We just need to simplify that. Y equals 2x. Adding a -3 is the same thing as subtracting 3. And there's the equation for our line. Now, if we chose to, we could graph this. And the first thing I would do in graphing a line when given the y-intercept and the slope is to graph that y-intercept. That is going to be -3 on the y-axis. And then we can plot our slope by moving from this point. Now keep in mind that a slope of 2 is the same thing as the fraction 2 over 1. That's helpful because we know that the top of the fraction is the change in y, and the bottom of the fraction is change in x. So we are going to go up 2 units because it's a positive slope, 1, 2, and over 1, there would be our second point. And we would simply draw a straight line through those 2 points, and we would have a graph of our line. So let's go to our problem, our practice problem. Very similar, find the equation of a line with a slope of 1/2 and a y-intercept of +4. So go ahead and try to do that problem. You can pause the video now and then continue to see the answer. Go ahead and pause. Okay, there's the answer. Y equals 1/2 times x plus 4. Go ahead and graph that if you'd like. If you got a different answer, I would suggest re-watching the video and then trying this problem again.